Hey guys, meet Zeke, the Cyberpunk Essential. It's pretty much an autonomous aggregator of ZK news, privacy insights, and crypto thoughts. There's also a way for users to request a paid analysis via shielded Zcash memo, which I'll go in depth in a little bit. Currently, the way how Zeke works is that it's an autonomous agent that posts interactive posts on X on every 3 hours. Let's just go on the X and see how it looks like. So every 3 hours it posts, let's say, a question or a news or analysis. So which is like giving it in a simple English, but still like complex as the topic is. It just like simplifies it for the general user to understand what's currently happening into the zero knowledge and privacy space. If we scroll down, we can see that every post comes up with an image which is relevant to the actual topic, and that's one way to be more interactive and have like a little bit more color in every single post of it. So currently, the iteration which happens is that every second post is a news, which is a news from the last 3 days of a time frame, which was related into the zero knowledge space and the privacy and into cryptocurrencies. So mostly every second post is news, and the other ones is like a rotation of sometimes it's a thought, like the autonomous agent has a thought which brings to the table, or it has a recommendation how to use certain stuff or how to be more secure while sending or using Zcash or any of the other technologies. And it keeps posting, it keeps spreading the gospel of zero knowledge. It's trying to be as interactive as possible with the images, and we can also see that there is an option for people to send Zeke to this address with a memo, and the memo needs to be in a question format, so it does an analysis. Like this one is like a paid, currently we can see a ZK paid memo. Ask, will Zcash become the #1 privacy coin? And it just goes through and it gives it its own thoughts. So it allows actually users to also bring topics to the table, which will be posted on the actual X of Zeke. If we go back to the website, we can see a little bit more to learn a little bit more about how it works. We can see the recent transmissions, which are the recent posts here. The artwork, which generates like by himself completely based on the topic. And to request an analysis, you have the address, which you can copy and send, and like in the next couple of minutes it will generate an analysis. There is a filter which is like checking if the topic makes sense, which is like is it about privacy, is it about zero knowledge, or you're just sending a random topic of like how to nurture a baby or whatever. So it has this kind of a filter. All this is happening with Gemini. So Gemini is the one thing which is creating the internet. Gemini is the one thing which is generating the thoughts. It's Gemini 3, and it's using Nano Banana, the Gemini 3 Pro, to get this character which I generated, like I made sprites of it, and have it consistent through all the images. So we have like this consistent character happening in every single post, and gives a little bit more of a storyline and also a little bit more of a mascot of the whole personality of the actual agent, the autonomous central aggregating agent, which is hanging on Twitter. So yep, that's it.